In the past 24 hours, coronavirus cases in Michigan have more than doubled, going from 12 to 25.
Of the new cases being reported tonight, we have our first patient now in Macomb County, a man with a history of traveling internationally. There is also another case in the city of Detroit, a woman also with a history of international travel as well. That brings the number of cases in in the city to 2. A number that Mayor Duggan expects will increase very soon.
In Bay County, a physician at Covenant Healthcare in Saginaw has tested positive. He was exposed during an out-of-state ski trip and told the health department once he found out about the exposure, he stopped working immediately, underwent testing, and went into home quarantine. He also told the health department he never had symptoms and only felt a little achy after his trip.
And that's a physician who knew clearly what to do. As we get new cases across the state, Governor Whitmer has put new restrictions in place on facilities like hospitals and nursing homes.
Mara McDonald is live at Detroit Receiving Hospital in Mara. Things are changing. They're starting tomorrow morning.
That's right, Kimberly. The executive order that the governor signed tonight says this. All health care facilities, including residential care facilities, congregate care facilities, as well as, and she's including juvenile detention facilities in this, no visitors unless they are there to provide medical treatment or they are there in a caring, supportive role, like somebody who would clean, somebody bathe somebody, feed somebody. However, if these are if it's an emergency situation, or if it's an end-of-life situation, accommodations can be made. Schools are closed, businesses are shifting workers to work remotely. The governor has put an order in place that will not allow gatherings of 250 or more at a time, all in an attempt to flatten the curve of this virus.
We have to be prepared that the number of diagnosed COVID-19 cases is going to grow dramatically in the coming weeks and months. And winning the battle means slowing the growth.
Right now, we have confirmed cases in Wayne, Oakland, and for the first time, Macomb.
Health department's on it. They're working with the state, working with the individual, trying to locate people that may have come in contact with them. The standard protocol that you would go through to try to warn everybody to, pay attention because we came in contact with somebody that tested positive.
There are 25 confirmed cases statewide. The state is waiting on results from 26 other tests, and 205 people have tested negative. The state has also set up a coronavirus hotline similar to what Beaumont has set up. Before you go to an emergency room, they want you to call ahead, understand your symptoms, and then guide you in the right direction. It's going to be like this for the foreseeable future.
Quite unique. This is a lot different, and the big concern is some people are hearing that this may be a 20, 30, 60-day process. From what I'm hearing from the experts, this may be a long-term issue that we're going to have to, look at as becoming the new normal and how we address this.
Back here live, something else to consider going forward into the weekend. The Archdiocese of Detroit has already canceled masses through mid-April. Other houses of worship have decided to do the same thing. So best check before you head out, because more than likely your service has been canceled. We're at Detroit Receiving Hospital tonight. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
All right, Mara, we appreciate it.
Well, President Trump, as we mentioned, declaring a national state of emergency. That frees up federal funding. He's also promising millions of test kits will soon be available.
And late tonight, the president and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi announcing a deal has been reached on a coronavirus relief package that would include free testing.